Welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to clean the microphone on a Motorola G14 phone. So for this we need a brush with flexible bristles so that it returns to its original position. The bristles should be fairly stiff but still flexible. The bristles themselves should be soft or medium hard so they don't scratch the phone. In addition, we need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, so that it simply evaporates after cleaning and doesn't cause any damage, like leaving residue that could dry up. Otherwise, the problem will persist. You can easily buy such items as a set on Allegro or Amazon. If you don't have them, you can use a toothbrush. Just remember it should be soft or medium hard. Here's some lemonade as well. The phone must be completely turned off before the procedure, just like ours is now. It's not working. Then you can simply start performing the procedure. So, we thoroughly soak the toothbrush with alcohol to make sure it's wet. If you don't have a diffuser like I do, you can simply use any container, dip the toothbrush in it, and then just proceed with the cleaning. We pick up the phone. The microphone, here we have this little hole. This is the microphone opening, so that's what we need to clean. So steadily, in one direction, make 5 or 6 strokes to start loosening the dirt. Then, do about 5 strokes in the other direction. Next, about 5 strokes to the right side and 5 strokes to the left side. Repeat this simple cleaning process about 5 times in each direction, and then you will have a perfectly clean, fully functioning microphone that works exactly like new. It will be as if, basically, your mobile phone had just been taken out of the original box for the very first time. After the procedure, set the phone aside. Wait about 10 to 15 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate from the microphone, because otherwise it might not work if the alcohol is blocking the microphone, but it will evaporate completely, leaving no trace, and then everything will work properly and without any issues. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I'd appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in the next video.